Good morning, you guys. It's a beautiful morning from Chaco. Right now, I am having breakfast in our resort. I have started with a cup of cafe con leche, that is coffee with milk, and Pranjal has ordered himself a glass of juice. And after that, we are going to have typical Costa Rican breakfast, which is like egg, rice and beans, and plantain. So after this, we are heading to another most famous place in Costa Rica, Manuel Antonio National Park.
If you haven't watched my previous Costa Rica video yet, I have linked it in the description. Definitely check it out after this one. In case you didn't know, Costa Rica is a small but incredibly diverse country in Central America. In this video, I'm taking you to Manuel Antonio, where rainforest meets the ocean and wildlife roams free.
So after the breakfast, as I have mentioned, we are now heading to Manuel Antonio National Park, and we already have ticket booked in advance, and also we have booked a guided tour to see some amazing animals over there. So let's go. Just entered National Park, and as you can see, there's a lot of people, and we are all checking in. They checked our bags for like drones, like single-use plastic and food. Those are not allowed inside the park. We just spotted squirrel monkeys, which are really rare to see, and we saw them like jumping here and there. So many. Oh my god, this was like, we just started the tour.
Guide was telling us we see these like once in 2 months kind of thing. So it's rare.
So rare, and we found them. We just saw white-faced monkey. Oh my god, so many, right?
They were all jumping, dancing, scaring us to go away.
So much fun. So it's time for lunch, and there is a cafeteria inside the park. There you can find a lot of options, and out of which we have ordered a chicken sandwich and a chicken roll. Also, as usual, we have ordered a milkshake. It's a mango milkshake, and you can have other milkshake as well. There are so many options. So yeah, let's dig in. So now we are going for a trail to see a viewpoint from where we can see the beautiful Pacific Ocean and all the area of Manuel Antonio. On the trail where we were going, we saw a beautiful viewpoint where we saw amazing view of the ocean and the mountain, and now we are on that trail. We came at this point called Playa Gambles. I hope I'm pronouncing it right, and that's the beach, you guys. It's kind of a little secluded beach. If you are want a beach to yourself, just take this hike and come here and take a dip.
I didn't know love till you found me.
So while going back, we just saw a coyote on this trail. There are like 8 to 9 coyotes hidden in the leaves, but we somehow found them. The coyotes are like raccoon, but they have a long tail and their mouth is like a little bit long. Long tail and long mouth. Yeah, that's coyote. So there is another beach here in Manuel Antonio which is really popular. Here is where you can take a dip.
I didn't know, lost in the sea. I didn't know love till you found me. I didn't know love.
We just saw a beautiful sunset just from our hotel balcony, and also we had dinner at here only at our hotel restaurant. We are really tired, so we are just going to go and take rest. Good morning guys from Manuel Antonio. Today we are starting with coffee. The view from our restaurant where we are eating our breakfast is absolutely beautiful. So today's plan is to visit this waterfall called Nawaka Waterfall, and it's about an hour drive from Manuel Antonio. So after the bumpy ride, we reached popular waterfall Catarata Nawaka. So first we are going to go to the upper waterfall, which is just a viewpoint from where you can see the beautiful waterfall. So finally we are here at the waterfall. As you can see behind me, looks absolutely gorgeous. And now we are planning to go down and spend some time. Just back from the waterfall and stopped at this one of the place where we are having coconut water. So how was the waterfall? If you ask me, it was really beautiful. We went to upper waterfall and then we went to the down to the lower waterfall. If you like to take a dip in water, it's a beautiful waterfall and beautiful place. The only thing I felt like paying $32 to go to the waterfall is bit expensive. If you have time and energy, I would suggest to go by hiking and will save a lot of money. So it's time for lunch and we chose to enjoy our meal with this ocean view restaurant. So we have ordered ourselves shrimp ceviche and a vegan burger. So we just came here to enjoy the beach. This is also a Manuel Antonio beach, but it's a public beach. Anybody can access it. It's just outside the national park. The views are absolutely amazing, and also you can take a dip over here as well. There are a lot of restaurants just opposite to the beach. So we just found this spot just opposite to the beach, and right now it's happy hour. So me and Pranjal having pina colada. I don't know how much sunset we will be able to see. Yeah, rain is coming and we are waiting. Good morning, you guys. It's a beautiful morning today. Now we are heading to the airport. Today is our last day in Costa Rica. We had such an amazing time. Wish we could stay for longer, but we had to say goodbye. It will take around 2.5 to 3 hours, actually 3 hours, to reach San Jose. So we got one cafe on the way where I have ordered cafe latte, empanadas and Nutella croissant. So we just boarded the flight back to New York and we are going via Atlanta. So our stop is at Atlanta, and after that from Atlanta we have a flight to JFK. So I just wanted to let you know that if you are traveling to Costa Rica, I would suggest to avoid taking a transfer at El Salvador, because if you are an Indian passport holder, you have to pay around $1,200 for transit fee. It is like per person and it will add up to your cost too much. So I would suggest to avoid El Salvador when you are traveling, and take the transfer from anywhere else, or take a direct flight. That would be a better choice. So that's it from this video. Hope you guys like it, and as in Costa Rica it says pura vida.